When I'm at my house and my parents are working, I kind of feel left out. My head feels, I just feel sad in my body. If my dad's been working for like a long time, and a really long time, and he says he'll be done soon, but he really is not. He's just trying to make me feel like he'll be done soon. I just feel like he's just trying to get rid of me for a little bit. Yoga gives me a warm feeling of goodness, something that can make you be calm and peaceful, and if I'm stressed it makes me feel good. My whole class, sometimes when we get really energetic, we all, after recess, we all do a yoga video.
What's your favorite thing to do?
If I do have a chance, I'd really like to do tree pose or mountain. I really enjoy tree pose because I'm not really good at balance, and I'd like to think it's practicing for my balance, so it's more easier for me to practice my balance. I really like yoga because it makes me feel good.